The New York City TLC insurance renewal period just finished for most drivers and fleets. How can you check if your insurance information is updated with the TLC? Once the TLC is informed of your new insurance policy, they will send you an email referencing your vehicle license number. Click on the hyperlink attached to the word "Here." If you didn't receive an email from the TLC, you can still access this hyperlink. Once the new screen opens, enter in your FHB license number. Remember, this is not your TLC plate number, but the vehicle license that usually begins with the number 5, listed on your blue base sticker. After entering the associated zip code and social security or EIN number attached to the license, click Sign In. If prompted to enter in your email address, enter it in and then click on the email link that allows you to view your account. On the right-hand side of the license snapshot, you'll be able to view your insurance policy number and active dates. Once you email them, check the TLC Up portal in 2 to 3 business days to see if your vehicle's license information has been updated. If it's not, then call the TLC at 718-391-5501.